this needs to happen in local languages of the cultures of our parents, this conversation. You know why? Because that has a certain frequency. It breaks certain barriers. Certain things become easier to understand. When you're talking to your parents in your Texan accent, you're telling them, you don't understand me. You know, first of all, they don't even understand you if you're being nice. And on top of that, now you're talking, ये अंग्रेजी बोल के बड़ी तालीम आ गई है, मुझे समझाओगे तो अच्छा. बड़े अल्फाज इस्तेमाल करके समझता है बहुत चीज बन गया. Too. Like, like they'll have that, like, who do you think you are? Just because you can speak in English, you're going to talk down to me? Because English is the language of the colonizer. You have to understand that, right? So they're like, they're being talked down to just because you're talking in English sometimes. So the language of respect to them is Urdu. And your Urdu is horrible. It's horrible. You can't talk to main shadi karinga. Like, you can't do it. You can't. Sorry, not everybody's here listening, but that sounded funny in any language. So there is a barrier. There is a cultural barrier. You have to respect that barrier, and you have to work patiently with that barrier. Inshallah. That was my 2 cents.
Quick housekeeping.